Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video. This is from Happy Thursday, otherwise known as Thursday Lines on Instagram. And there should be a shirt in here. As we can see, the shirt is used with or produced with a Hanes shirt. This is size medium. Packing slip. And this is a Long Live the Squirtle Squad tee, and you can see in here they actually have, it's the Squirtle Squad, but they put some of their own branding and merchandise on the Squirtles. This one has a green shirt with an old Subaru STI, it looks like. This one has a bottle of Modelo, which is great because it's always Modelo time. Some bucket hats, and then we have a Gator Tails with a helicopter spinning hat. Overall, the shirt seems really soft. I'm super excited to wear it. I got this because my friend is having a 90s themed party, so I figured what not than to get a Squirtle Squad t-shirt that's a graphic tee. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe, guys.